Eastbound Racetrack Road.
Night 2, pit.
1733.
Night 2, hold there for him. Felony stop.
Felony.
Hands up! Hands up! Open the door! Slowly! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Turn around. Walk back. Hands up! Better be up! Keep walking back! Keep coming! Back! 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 Hands up! Come around, Hank. Listed as a missing person, like I told you before, for running away and stuff like that. So just sit back here. We're going to try to get you down and get you situated so we can get you back to Texas, okay?